Alright, I got a unboxing today. I just got home from school. And so let's open this up. I don't want to show anybody my address. Alright, sorry if you hear my dogs in the back. Alright, so first, brown paper, like usual. Alright, I got a face cover thing that's desert camo. I got a D-Boys sling adapter for my M4. Packing slip, and then I got this Condor jacket thing. See? It's a jacket from Condor, base layer. So, oh, and then, got the e-bike, 18% off, and then calendar. So, that's all I got. So, thanks for watching.